Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an ebook to sell on Amazon. I'll be showing you two softwares that you can use for completely free to create the ebook and to come up with different ideas. By the way, if you're like me, you're consistently looking for different ways how to make money online. And by creating an ebook and uploading it on Amazon, that's definitely one of the best decisions you can make if you're looking a way to make passive income in 2023 and beyond. Think about it. Once you have created the ebook and uploaded it and set your price on Amazon, all you have to do now is simply sit back and just collect the money while the sales roll in. And by the way, Amazon is consistently selling books, as Amazon is one of the most popular platforms to purchase ebooks. The first thing that I want you to do is go onto kdp.amazon.com. And from here, you're either going to sign in with your Amazon account or you're going to create an Amazon account. And by the way, to do this is completely free. As you can see right here, it takes less than 5 minutes to publish your book, and your Kindle stores will be available within 72 hours in Kindle stores worldwide. And you'll be able to make up to 70% royalty on sales to customers right around the world. As you can see, it reaches United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, you name it, they'll be able to purchase it. And also, you'll keep control of your rights and set your own list price and everything. And as I said earlier, to publish the Kindle ebooks or paperback books are completely for free, as you can see right here. So if you don't make any money, Amazon won't make any money. Okay, now let me show you the first platform that I want you to go on. The first thing that I want you to do is go on to ChatGPT. This is an AI software that numerous persons are using at the moment to make a good amount of money online. And I'll be showing you how you can do it to also potentially make some money. The first thing I want you to do after signing in to ChatGPT, which again is completely for free. For this example, I was planning to create a book about fun facts, and the reason why I decided to go into fun facts is if you go onto Amazon and you type in fun facts books, you can see different ideas right here, and you can see that they are getting a good amount of sales. And the way how I dictate, or the way how I assume that they are getting a lot of sales, better yet, is as you can see the different ratings right here. As you know, a lot of persons don't tend to leave ratings or reviews when they purchase something on Amazon. So for example, you've seen 3,209 right here. It probably over 10,000 persons has purchased this book, but only a few persons have come back and rated their purchase. And you can see all this book is doing is showing random interesting fun facts. And for the example, if I were to click on it, you can see it right here. And it's quite easy to create and quite straightforward. For example, if I were to tap on it to get a preview, let me do that real quick. Let's say I select Kindle, and you can see that the Kindle is selling for $6.99. If I were to get a preview of the book, you'll be able to see that it is quite easy and quite straightforward to do. So even if you don't have any skills at all, you'll still be able to create this book. So you can see right here an example. In 2013, a lost Egyptian city name was discovered. Those are just some of the random fun facts. So all I want you to do is go onto ChatGPT. And the first thing that I did when I went onto ChatGPT was type in, let me see right here, 5 ideas for an eye-catching book title about fun facts. And here were some examples of what ChatGPT recommended. Did you know that an entertaining collection of fun facts right here? And you can see the different title ideas. Then I typed in show me 200 fun facts about the world, and you can see some of the fun facts right here. For example, about the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which is the tallest building. But what I want you to do is not only copy what ChatGPT is saying, but you're going to put your own spin on it. As to copy and paste an ebook, I know that that's what a lot of persons are recommending, but I would not recommend that. As the technology has now stepped up with ChatGPT and different AIs, they have now come up with a software that is able to detect AI right here. So for example, if I were to copy and paste that from ChatGPT right here, it would be able to tell me that that was written by an AI software. So what I would recommend you do is type in Quillbot, and Quillbot is completely free. And Quillbot is a paraphrasing software that you can use. So all you'll have to do is simply copy this right here. So you'll simply copy this, for example. Then you're going to go into Quillbot, and all you have to do is simply paste it right here. Then you'll tap on paraphrase, and you'll give it a few seconds. After you have done that, you will see the paraphrase example right over here. And by the way, if you would like to change anything in the paraphrase, you can do that. To rephrase it, all you have to do is tap on the word that you would like to rephrase. As you can see here, if I wanted to put tallest instead of highest, I could put that right there by simply tapping on tallest. And then after you're finished, you can copy this section right here that has been paraphrased. All you have to do is scroll down and you can read all of it. So let's say I want to copy this section. So I've copied it. Now what I would recommend you do is go onto one of these AI content detector. For this example, I'm using copyleaks.com, and let's say I were to paste it right here, then tap on check and give it a few seconds. Let's see if it can pick up that this was written by AI. And you can see right here, this is human text. So once you have gotten the fun facts, what I would like you to do next is go onto Canva. And Canva is the platform that you're going to be using to create your ebook. And again, Canva is completely free. All you'll have to do is tap on the search bar right here. After you have tapped on the search bar, I want you to type in ebook template, and you're going to select ebook template. The reason why I recommend Canva and the reason why I recommend that you select ebook template is you'll be able to get numerous ebook templates that you can choose from, and you'll be able to create your ebook a lot quicker with these examples. For example, you can see here this ebook has 22 pages and you can see the different outlines. This one has 11 pages. And by the way, anyone that you see with the Pro right here, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to be able to edit that particular ebook. So you can see right here, you can use any one of these ebooks. For this example, I'll simply use this one right here. So I'll tap on it. Then I'll tap on customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to copy and paste the information that you had created earlier. The first thing right here is the book cover, and you can edit this. So for example, let's say I wanted to use this title right here, Fun Facts Uncovered. So all I'll have to do is simply copy this. Then I'll go back into Canva. And once in Canva, I'm going to delete these texts. So you can simply tap on the text box, then tap on the trash can to remove it. And I'm also going to remove this right here. So I'll simply put my name right there. So I could put in simple answers. Then I'll remove this. And I'll also change the background picture, as remember that I'm doing something about fun facts. And to change the background picture, all you have to do is tap on the current image, then right click, and you will see the option detach image. Then you'll simply delete the image, and you go over to the left hand menu option, And from here you can type in whichever book you are creating to see some mock-ups. So for example, I could type in Fun Facts. Let me see what they recommend. And you'll see different options right here. So if you see any that you like, you can see knowledge. And then I can see, let me scroll down real quick. Then I'll select this one right here. You can simply tap on it. Then I'll tap on replace current page. And after I've done that, I will change the title right here. So I'm going to paste my title. Fun Facts Uncovered. Then I'll change the font style. Let me remove this section. Remove this right here. Then I'll carry it up. And I can also widen the box. So I could tap on the box and widen the box right here. Then carry my text. You can easily customize it. So you can carry your text right there. I'll be able to make the text smaller, as you can see right there. And then you could edit this image if you want. Anything that you want, you can simply type it in the search bar in the left hand corner. By the way, if you wanted to add elements, you can do that. So what I would recommend you do, for example, on like I would trouble the contents, you could change the content. You'll definitely change the table of contents right there. Then I'll remove this section. Let me show you how I would create the first page. So what I would do is simply go over to this section. And remember, we are going to simply copy and paste. So for this example, you could simply copy the first one. Then go back into Canva. And you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select text. After selecting text, you are going to tap on add a heading. Then you'll simply drag it up. And you could type in Fun Fact 1. Number 1. Then after doing that, I'm going to tap on add subheading right here. After adding the subheading, what I'm going to do now is simply paste the fun fact. Then I'll pull it down. And after doing that, you can also change the font style and font color if you want. But what I'm going to do next is you could get a pic of the Burj Khalifa and you could paste it right here. So you could simply upload a pic if you want. And also what I like about Canva is they have a new AI software that you can use. So all you'll have to do is tap on apps in the bottom left hand corner. And then you could go right here that says search Canva apps and you'll select text to image. Then from here you could type in tall building. Then tap on enter. And give it a few seconds and it will show you different images you could choose from. Just give it a few seconds while it is generating. Then for example, you could tap on this one right here if you like this one, or if you would like it to regenerate, you can tap on create again. But for this example, I'll simply tap on this one right here and you can see that it has been added. So what I would do after the image has been added, you are going to simply right click on it. Then you are going to tap on set image as background and you can see it right there. Then from here you could add a box behind this, or you could change the color of the font. You could change the color of the font by tapping on the capital A to make it more easy to read right here. So let me change the color real quick. Change it to red. And after you have done that, you could go on to page 2 and you'll simply list it out. Then once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you'll scroll down and from here you're going to tap on download. Then after tapping on download, you're going to select file type. And for example, you have PNG, best for complex images. But what I want you to do is select PDF standard right here. Or you could select PDF print. Any one out of these two options would be best. After you have done that, you are going to go back onto Amazon KDP And then you're going to tap on this page right here. After you're finished signing up, you'll be redirected right here, and all you have to do is tap on create, and then you'll be able to upload your ebook. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.